Today we're going to go back over how to write real world equations. Okay, and before we start, I want to talk to you about an equation form that you're going to learn later this year, but that will help you right now. And it's called y equals mx plus b. It sounds hard, but it is super, super easy. Right here, I want y'all to write y equals mx plus b. Now, not all of the equations are going to look like this, but a lot of them are. And it's going to help you understand how to write them. Now, in 7th grade and 8th grade, all we study is straight lines when we graph them. And this is called a linear equation. What does linear mean? Think of the first 4 letters of the word. A straight line, right? So this is a linear equation, meaning if I graph it, it's going to make a straight line. And everything we study in 7th and 8th grade is linear, straight lines. This is the linear form of any equation, y equals mx plus b. How is this going to help you? Because I'm going to tell you what each part represents. This is the rate. You will put a number there. Did y'all hear what I said? You will put a, you're going to put a number there. This is the one time or starting amount or starting point. The x is the only variable. And you can pick another variable. You can pick A, B, C, D. You can pick whatever you want. Got it? This is usually the total. You're going to put a number there if you solve it. Now, if you don't solve it, you can leave it y equals or cost equals or whatever. Okay? But if you're going to solve it, they're going to give you a number to put there. Okay, that will help you with today. Got it? All right, now let's go through our notes. It says, you can write an equation to represent 2-step equations in the real world situations. You will need to translate. Do y'all know what translate means? What does it mean? Kind of like to change, right? You're going to need to translate words, like English words, to mathematical sentences. I'm just going to put to math. Like if I use the English words 2 plus 2 equals 4, you wouldn't spell them out when you wrote it down, would you? You would put the number 2 plus 2, an equal sign, and then 4. That's what I mean. You're going to take words and turn them into mathematical sentences. Okay? You're going to use the list of keywords below to help. And then remember that I also gave y'all a cheat sheet on Friday with keywords on your notes. Okay? Now, this is also really cool. These cheat words are going to help you know which number gets the variable. After you write the equation, you can solve it. So let's go through our key words down here. What do y'all think this first one is?
Equal sign.
Equal sign. This one, the next one is the most important one. It's multiplication. But look why it's super important. That's going to be the coefficient. So if you see Mrs. Castro goes to H-E-B to get gas and it costs $3 per gallon, did you hear per? That 3 is the coefficient. So that 3 will get a variable. And I like to use the variable of the alphabet that goes with what it means. So if I said $3 per gallon, what do y'all think I want to use? G for gallon. So I would put 3G. Got it? So this is multiplication. The next one's super easy. More than, increased by, total gains, altogether sum. That all means to add. Or addition, whatever you want to write. The next one's easy. Less than, decreased by, difference, fewer, going down. Subtract. And then the last one, quotient, half, split, it's division, divide. Now, before we go do an example, look back at this. When you write equations, it doesn't have to be in that order. It can say mx plus b equals y. It could be b plus mx. Y'all see what I'm saying? You don't have to put it in the exact order. This is just like a foundation to help you understand it. Okay? All right, let's look at number 1. Adam bought season passes for Six Flags. It cost $60 to join, plus $20 for each ticket purchased. What kind of clue words did y'all just see? I saw plus. What else? I saw each. Each is very important. Go to your clue words, and what does that say? And then what does it say? So right there, when you saw each, what number is going with each?
20.
And it says each, and then it tells you what the variable represents. Tickets. So what do y'all want the variable to be for tickets? T. So right here it says, what's your variable going to be? We're going to say T for tickets. Now, would I be wrong if I say X? No. But T makes more sense to me. Yes? All right. Now we're going to go make an equation out of this. Let's finish reading it. If he spent a total of $240, how many tickets did he purchase? Does anybody want to take a try? Go ahead.
The starting is $60.
Did y'all hear what he said? This is a one-time fee or a starting. So I get to Six Flags and I got to pay.
$60.
Am I going to keep paying that like per something, or that's just one time?
One time.
So up here, that's the
B.
one time. Okay, keep going.
Plus 20 T.
Okay,
20 T equals 200.
perfect. Did he go in this exact order? No, but you don't have to. You could say 240 equals 20T plus 60. But you don't have to. He said, I'm going to start with my one time 60, and I'm going to add my rate of 20 per ticket, so 20T, and that is going to add up to $240. So it doesn't matter what order you do it in, as long as they all have this correct value. So would all of our answers match perfectly? No, because I might have put 240 equals 20T plus 60, and it's the same thing. All right, can we solve this?
Yeah.
How do I get rid of the coefficient 60? Minus 60. I have 20T equals, and 240 minus 60 is 180. How do I get rid of the coefficient? 20. Divide by 20. Now, when I divide, can I mark these zeros out and cancel them out? What is 18 divided by 2?
9.
So I have T equals 9. Don't put it into the solution. That is not a good answer for a real world problem. We need to write it in words. What does T represent? So how would I write that? 9 tickets. Very good. And that's why I love labeling the variable what it stands for, because I know how to answer my question. Now this next question doesn't fit this as well, but it definitely still helps. Okay? It says Josh collects baseball cards. He has 4 more than, did y'all see a clue word?
More than.
What does that mean? So this is going to be 4 plus, or 4, something plus 4. Twice, did y'all see a clue word? What does twice mean? Multiply by 2, the number that his brother has. If Josh has 48 baseball cards, then how many does his brother have? I don't know what I want my variable to be, so let's read the question. The question is the variable. What are they asking you? How many baseball cards does his brother have? So what do y'all want the variable to be? So y'all picked B earlier. My class picked C for cards. Does it matter? No. Y'all want to use B? We'll use B. B for baseball cards. So how would I write the equation? Does anybody want to try? You want to try? Go ahead.
4 plus time
Yep. But what am I going to multiply by? You're right. Right? I'll help you out.
4 plus 2x.
But instead of x, what did we use?
Oh, b.
But you're right. You're perfectly right. Okay. Keep going. You're almost there.
Times.
You're doing great. Equals 48. Very good. You were almost there. You did really good, though. That was a harder one. Very, very good. All right. How would I get rid of the constant? Subtract 4. Okay, that's gone. I have 2b equals 44. How do I get rid of the coefficient 2? Divide by 2. Don't put your answer down here, but I know that b is equal to 22. Now, how would I answer that based off of what the coefficient is? 22 baseball cards.